Hey, everybody. Welcome to Ivy and Juke Creations. If you're new here, my name is Kim, and I'm so glad you decided to click on my video. Okay, y'all, today I'm going to try something new. Let's make a wreath for the very first time. Here I've got, I think it's called ficus or ficus. No, it's ficus. Ficus branches from Michael's. They were originally $1.99 a stem, but I got them on sale for 99¢. Anyway, so I just started poking them in this grapevine wreath here. And yeah, I can't really tell it on video, but this is a very tight woven grapevine wreath. And I would not suggest it at all. It gave me a world of trouble trying to poke my floral picks down in it. But anyway, so here I'm just taking those ficus branches and cutting them down into 3 stems. And just like the Crafting Cousins say, poking posies. I'm just going to poke it where I think it needs to go. Where it looks empty, it's going to get a pick or a branch. Now I've turned it around and I'm looking at it from other directions and I'm finding more blank spots. So I just keep adding these ficus branches. After that, I wanted to start working on my bow. And y'all look at this pretty ribbon. I got it at Hobby Lobby for 40% off, but I can't remember how much it cost. And here I am making a bow for the first time. And I'm sitting here and I'm trying to figure it out. And as you see, I twist it in the middle. Then I turn it over and then gather it in the middle again. Twist it. And then loop it over again. And then I took this jute ribbon, hint, hint, Ivy and jute. Took this jute ribbon, and now I'm calling myself trying to make a second layer, a bow, the second layer of it. So this, I just wrapped it around itself. And y'all, this is what I ended up with. Don't it look sick? I fluffed and I fluffed and I fluffed. And I was thinking to myself, it ain't too bad for your first bow. But I was not liking it. Alright, and here it is on the grapevine wreath. And I pulled you in closer to show y'all these pretty little seeded floral picks that I got from Walmart to add some texture. I say that like I know what I'm talking about, but it's because it's what I've heard while watching YouTube for 4 years now. So then I zoomed out to let y'all see where I was putting some more of those little seeded picks at. Then I'll put one up there at the top. And while y'all sit here and watch me poke posies, if you're new, I would like to explain something to you real quick. As I was saying in the beginning, I am a new crafter, and I have been collecting craft supplies for well over 3 years with every purchase with the intention of making something, and then I never made anything. I love things from the Dollar Tree on up to IOD products. And in October of last year, I decided to quit letting fear paralyze me. And I jumped in it and started doing it. And I was like, well, why not hit record on this journey too? So that's what I done. And here I am today. And I feel like I'm growing with each video. I'm learning new things. I'm finding out things that I love and the things that I hate in the crafting world. And I'm making a lot of mistakes. But if that's a journey that you sound like you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. And let's learn and grow together on this journey. All right, y'all, here I was not satisfied with that bow. So I left all that in because I wanted to show y'all my thinking process, my thought process. So I got some green, green burlap ribbon. And that one came from Dollar General for $2. And then I made 4 loops. Oh, and I brought out my bow dabber that I had gotten about 11 years ago when my first granddaughter was born. And it wasn't looking right. So I took the pretty rose ribbon off, and I grabbed some more of the green ribbon. And now I'm making more loops to hoping I can get a bigger and more fluffier bow than what I had got the first time. You just fold it over and then gather it in the middle right there. Then you twist it and flip it over. And yes, this ribbon is the same on the same exact side, both sides. But yet, one side, it was like you could see the seam. So that's why I was having to do it like that. And now I'm going to take my little sick looking 4-loop bow, and I'm going to set it on top of it. I love that rose ribbon. It's gorgeous. And fast forward, here I am, just adding more loops. You cinch it in the middle and push it down in between them 2 arms right there on the bow dabber. Oh, okay, I'm done with the bow. I'm sorry. Now I'm going to take my pipe cleaner, pull it up, and twist it down to secure my bow. Now, here's what we got. So I took all the tails, or my loops, not tails. I took all my loops, and I started spreading them out like a fan. The green, I got spread it out, and then the one with the roses, started spreading it out, and then that's when I started fluffing. And the bow turned out being gorgeous, but I'm still thinking it needed something else on top of the ribbon that's got the pretty roses on it. It's still missing something. But here I am just fluffing it. And y'all don't ask me what them 2 tails are. That's a whole nother other subject. But in the end, I end up curling them under and hot gluing them and just making 2 more loops. And now I'm thinking it still needs something else. I went hung it on the door, getting ready to take pictures for y'all, and I wasn't satisfied with it. So then I found a bush of ferns that I got from Walmart, and I cut all of them off, the stems, and then I started poking this fern in. I'd start at the top, the bottom, and then work my way around the sides and just spreading it out sporadically. And then I pulled y'all in closer to try to get y'all to see them pretty ferns. They are beautiful. They have the texture feels like good quality. And here's the bundle. And it's $2.50 from Walmart. And I just cut them apart. And now I'm still continue adding the second bush. Just adding it sporadically. Just keep poking posies until your eyes are happy. Alright, now here's what we got so far. And I hung it on my door. Got ready to take pictures for y'all. And nope, I couldn't. It needed something else. So back to the craft room. Back recording. I grabbed some white hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree. It's hard to tell on video, but they got a little hint of pink in the petals. And so then I started just sporadically spreading, the white hydrangeas throughout the wreath. And Y'all look at the top. Y'all see all those ribbons? I got every ribbon pulled down from my craft room. Once again, once I upload before I can start another video, I've got to clean up and reset. But it's okay. I enjoyed making this wreath. And although I'm still trying to poke things in it as of right now, I love it. I really do. I still feel like it needs some, I see some holes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I still need to add a little bit more. But I'm like, you're done, Kim. Leave it alone. And then after I went hung it on the door another time, I'm like, nope, the white hydrangeas ain't doing it. So then I went found some more little pink flowers, just random bushes from the Dollar Tree, and went poking that out. Then I was happy. The pink flowers brought it all together with the pink roses on the ribbon. And I'm proud of this one, y'all. I am doggone proud of this. Even looking at the picture right now, I see some little holes that we could have put a couple more flowers in it. But I bit the bullet. I done it. And I'm proud of it. So go find something to craft today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like and the subscribe button. And you have a blessed day. Bye.